This is the eager fever. Is Batman with his movements. This beautiful from Gobu. We're going to take the ball on. He's set it up, yeah! And a big, huge moment for Phili in a goal he'll never forget. First the Kaizer Chiefs. They were hoping for this sort of impact when they signed him. Comes up with an impact in the Jersey-20 rivalry. Defensively sound. And that's been their foundation throughout the campaign, looking to maintain the 100% win record. For the most part, have been defensively sound here today. But when the moment comes up, isn't Lord with a brilliant play in the middle of the park. Last season, it was about his physicality. This time, it's about his creativity here against Sundowns. Draws 2-3 players and really just had to be in that goal-scoring position. No problem in getting it beyond Williams. Chiefs deserving. The moment is just the creativity from Dove.